Use job management apps and checklist tools to run a cleaner, more reliable cleaning business. Start by choosing a job management platform that offers client profiles, recurring job scheduling, and mobile access for teams. Set up standardized checklists for each service type and require technicians to complete them on the job to ensure consistent quality. Use automated reminders and recurring jobs to prevent missed periodic tasks and to keep clients informed without manual follow-up. Require photos before and after jobs to be attached to the client file so disputes are resolved quickly and quality trends are visible. If you dispatch multiple teams, enable GPS tracking so you can send the closest crew and verify attendance while respecting privacy by limiting location history retention. Integrate your scheduling tool with accounting or invoicing software so time entries, materials, and billable items flow directly into client invoices. The most common problem is missed or overlapping bookings, which creates frustrated clients and wasted travel time. Prevent this by enforcing real-time calendar sync and blocking travel time between appointments. Another frequent issue is inconsistent work quality. Solve that with mandatory checklists, photo proof, and periodic spot audits, where a supervisor reviews work against the checklist. A third concern is poor communication between office and field staff. Fix this with a single team messaging channel inside your management app, clear task notes, and automatic client notifications about arrival windows. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home services and fits this topic by helping owners find local cleaning pros and letting contractors list availability and services. We also run a discussion community where we, our members, and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to improve operations and find new jobs.